Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janand Kumar standing in front of you. Like before, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning before starting this session. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to teach you the second special rules of direct and indirect speech. I think you must have enjoyed the previous class, the previous session, and you must have learned a lot of lessons, because I always hope to give you a lot of knowledge, a lot of lessons by my every session. Okay, in this session I am going to teach you the second special rules. Friends, I think you must be seeing what I have written on the board, because it is quite clear. I have written interrogative sentences. According to the second special rules, we have to know about interrogative sentences before starting learning about direct and indirect speech related to interrogative sentences. We have to learn something about interrogative sentences. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks a question or which inquires about something, which inquires of something or somebody. Okay friends, what type of sentences are interrogative sentences? The sentences which ask questions are interrogative sentences. But what is the structure of an interrogative sentence? If we ask a question to know the answer in yes or no, it is known as a yes-no interrogative sentence. Yes-no interrogative sentence as are you ready is a yes-no interrogative sentence. And what is the recognition of a yes-no interrogative sentence? This auxiliary verb. A yes-no interrogative sentence starts with an auxiliary verb. So you have to keep it in mind. And there is the note of interrogation at the end of the sentence. It shows that the sentence is an interrogative sentence. Why is such a sentence called a yes-no interrogative sentence? Because its answer will be in yes or no. If anybody asks you, are you ready? What will you reply? What will you answer? You will answer by saying, yes, I am ready, or no, I am not ready. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. No, I am not ready. The answers of this question will be either in yes or no. So, such a sentence is known as a yes-no interrogative sentence. And the second type of sentence in interrogative sentences is a WH interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence which starts with a question word or a WH word is called a WH interrogative sentence. As why are you ready? आप क्यों तैयार हैं? Now the question comes, what have we to do with this in direct and indirect speech? If the reported speech is a yes-no interrogative sentence, we will use whether or if by replacing inverted commas. Okay, here working rules. Now we have got sufficient knowledge of interrogative sentences. Now we have to know the working rules, with the help of which we can change the sentences given in direct speech into indirect speech, in which interrogative sentences are used as reported speech. Say, says, said plus to plus object is replaced by ask, asks, asked plus object. Or we can also say the combination of say, said, said plus to. We can also not mention object if we don't want to mention it. We can say that say, said, said plus to is replaced by ask, asks, asked. Okay, object is common in both the combinations. So if we don't want to mention about object, we can leave it. The word object is common in both the combinations. The main thing is that we have to transform this combination into this combination. Right? I think you must have understood this working rule. And the second working rule is inverted commas are replaced by whether or if. In this we don't use that. In place of inverted commas we use whether or if. Now you can take its screenshot. Okay friends, this is a sentence in direct speech. A sentence is, my father said to me, are you feeling cold? मेरे पिताजी ने मुझसे कहा, क्या तुम्हें ठंड लग रही है? Then how can we change it into indirect speech according to the given instructions? It is quite easy to change the sentence into indirect speech. Friends, here the combination of said plus to will be changed into asked. As per the instruction given, thereafter we will take the object as is given in direct speech, we will put the same in indirect speech. My father asked me. Here the reported speech is, are you feeling cold? So as per the instruction, we have to replace the inverted commas. The comma will be removed. We have not to do anything of the comma. We have to remove it, and here inverted commas will be changed into whether or if, because the reported speech is a yes no interrogative sentence. Friends, if will take less space, so we can use if. We can also use whether, but we often see if in books also, because if takes less space. So I have also used if by replacing inverted commas. Thereafter, the third instruction is that I have not written, but I would like to discuss with you. The third instruction is that the interrogative form of the sentence will be changed into assertive form. Okay, it is the third instruction that I have not taught you, that I have not discussed with you by writing on the board, but you will just notice it, that the interrogative form of the sentence will be changed into the assertive form of the sentence. Other things will take place in the same way. Second person you will be changed into I according to the object of the reporting verb, that is me. Here the object of the reporting verb is me. So we will use the nominative case of me, that will be I. And here are will be changed into either was or were. But here we see that the subject is I, so we will use was. And the sentence is completed. And the sentence in indirect speech will be, my father asked me if I was feeling cold. Now it's very easy to understand how to transform such a sentence into indirect speech. You will share to me whether it is easy or not. Okay, by sending your message through comments. I am thirsty of seeing your reaction. There must be reaction from the side of the students. Okay friends, I have written that in case of a WH interrogative sentence, we will use the question word in place of the inverted commas. Now I will give you a question. My mother says to me, why do you not read? मेरी माँ मुझसे कहती है, तुम क्यों नहीं पढ़ते हो? Here with the help of the given instruction, it will be very easy for you to change the sentence into indirect speech. Okay friends, now the sentence has been changed into indirect speech. The sentence is, my mother asks me why I don't read. And with this question and its indirect speech, I am ending this session, and you will practice for doing exercises with the help of some book, and you will ask me in case you have any doubt, in case you are not able to solve any question of any book, A to Z book. You will ask me questions related to the taught materials by going to MPS Motivators platform, and by going to comment section of that, you will ask me the solution of any question related to direct and indirect speech, and I will give you the solution. And if you like my video, if you like my session, don't forget to like it, comment it, and share it to your friends, and also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.